you know what's coming our way, because this morning we're sitting at 16 degrees. Your dew point's down to 1. Your wind is out of the northeast at 12 miles per hour. You put those three things in a complicated equation. Like, this equation is way too complicated for just 3 ingredients here. All right, there's a couple more than 3, but what it gives us is what's coming here. So pick out your city. Notice it's a lot of teens and a couple 20s if you follow Interstate 90. Omak up to 12, Sandpoint at 12. You factor in that wind, those cold dew points, and boom, you're below 0 in a lot of locations. Here in Spokane, we're at just 3. And it's going to start feeling even colder. We're not done with this cold just yet. Notice the strong wind sticks around all day long. We're kind of at the calmest wind of the entire day, and we hang on to that wind into tonight. And so all this cold air, well, you take that northeasterly wind and it starts blowing its way toward us. It's coming out of the northeast. It's saying, I'm coming for you. And I'm saying, no, you don't have to. You don't have to, but it still is. So we get our wind chill advisories. Those are for wind chills of 5 to 15 degrees below 0. It goes all the way up to Colville, Sandpoint, Coeur d'Alene, over in Omak. So it's pretty widespread. And even later on today, we aren't topping out much warmer than where we sit right now. That's thanks to that northeasterly wind blowing in. What it's fighting is this. We've got a big old storm moving into the west side. That's bringing some pretty widespread showers and putting down some pretty widespread winter weather advisory and winter storm warnings. The reason this doesn't come into Spokane is that northeasterly wind that's pushing in all the cold. It's dry and it's kind of keeping it away. But that wind is also kind of squeezing out a couple of those flurries we're seeing early this morning. Very similar to what we've been seeing the past few mornings. I think that wind does a great job though. Notice it really starts picking up later on today, and that pushes all of this snow down into the Palouse. So I think the bulk of it kind of stays out of Spokane and Coeur d'Alene. But then as we move from Friday into Saturday, we get another shot, and this one looks like it does a little bit of a better job of giving us some more widespread snow. Model's not doing a great job of telling you what I think is going to happen, but here we go. That's what I think all said and done happens, but let's talk temps, because today it's chilly. We hang out of that breezy wind overnight as temperatures fall. It feels even colder tonight and tomorrow morning. Tomorrow we're low 20s, but look what happens by this weekend. All of our hearts warm up on Sunday, and that collective warmth bumps our temperatures up next week. And that, Jen, is official science.